to convert either a paint pole or our existing yellow pole so you can use the Plush brush on it. You need the green adapter if you've got our pole. Locks on, and as you can see the threads are now the same. To keep the cord neat and tidy, all I've done is made up some zip ties, smaller and larger. You can probably see that quite clearly now. And all we're going to do, we'll start with the paint pole first. All you're doing is simply place it in and zip it at the top like that. And the whole idea is so it just keeps everything neat and tidy. You know, you can really do how you'd want to do it, okay? But that's how easy it is to do. Okay, now we're ready to attach everything. Simply screw the brush head onto the pole. Now, this pole I did get for $45 from Bunnings, okay? And then all we do is simply line up the 2 loops, take the tubing, run it through 1, 2, that way it keeps it nice and neat, and it's just a push-in fitting at the other end. And there you go. And now, as you can see, when I'm using it, once I extend it, I can get it nice and high, and the tubing isn't flying around anywhere. And there you go. Now this time I'm going to show you how to put it onto our poles we sell. Again, using the green adapter, screw it on. Just extend the pole a bit, and again just run the tube up through the 2 places, push it in, and again, as you can see, that keeps everything nice and neat. So as you extend the pole, again the tube doesn't get caught up, and then you can use it in exactly the same way. Okay, so it's easy to connect it to your tap. Simply disconnect your trigger spray and click this in. This is the valve, the on-off. So that's off, that's on. Leave it on, and if you have a look at the head, as I turn the tap on, you can then adjust your water flow. Once you've got the flow you want, then you use the valve to turn it off, and then you can go